Yes, in the last class we did about prism, and prism is a polyhedron which is whose top face and bottom face are same and whose lateral faces means side faces are parallelogram. And in this we have discussed triangular prism and square prism. Now next one is your pentagonal prism. You can see that its upper surface, top surface is pentagonal and bottom surface is also pentagon. Is it visible? And the side faces are parallelograms. ये देखो parallelograms हैं, all are parallel, एक दूसरे के parallel हैं, बिल्कुल sides equal हैं, ये देख लो. Is it okay? So this is, it is named after the top and base, as the base and top is pentagon, so it is called pentagonal prism. Okay, so write down pentagonal prism. And how you will draw it? You will make one pentagon here. एक्चुअली आपको पता है थोड़ा सा स्लांटिंग बनाना चाहिए, ऐसे भी बना सकते हो वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल भी बना सकते हो, तो बेटर टू मेक लाइक दिस. ठीक है, जॉइन द एडजेसेंट Is it okay? Is it okay? So this is your pentagonal prism. Write the faces, vertices and edges. We did the formula yesterday also. You can count the faces, vertices and edges from this. First face, second face and actually यहाँ पे 5-sided figure है तो यहाँ पे 5 parallelogram बनेंगे, 5, 6, 7. तो total हो गए 7. And formula we did is n plus 2. Actually n is 5 here ना, pentagon की 5 side होती है, तो vertices you can count 5 from the top and 5 from the bottom. So 5 and 5, 10 vertex are there. So 10, it can be written as 2n. Formula is we did yesterday, that is 2n. Now edges, 5 sides are there. 5 sides are there at the bottom and 5 sharp edges are there in the lateral. So 5, 5, 5, that is 15. 15 and the formula is 3n. ये formula हमने already किया हुआ है, आपको पता ही है. Okay. Okay. Now you can verify the Euler's formula. F plus V is equal to E plus 2. F is 7, V is 10, that is 17. E is 15 plus 2, that is 17. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it okay? In the same manner, you can draw hexagonal prism also if you want. Hexagonal prism we can make here. Hexagonal prism. What you will do? You will make one hexagon here. Actually, it should be similar, so make some small so that it look exactly same as this. Now you can join the sides. Actually, as you see that, as I have drawn vertical hexagon, so when you join this line, it will coincide with this. And that doesn't look nice and you will not be able to count the vertices or edges. So better to draw little bit slanting. ठीक है, ज्वाइन तो होना ही है, कहीं ना कहीं तो आपको लगेगा ही थोड़ा सा आपको। Faces, vertices, edges. Formula is n plus 2. 6 sides are there. N is your 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Vertices is 2n. So 6 2s are 12. Edges are 3n. So 6 3s are 18. And you can verify the formula also. Faces 6, vertices 12, that is sorry, it is 8. 8 plus 12 is 20. Edges are 8. 8 plus 2 is 20, which is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yesterday we discussed about triangular prism. You can see this prism. This is triangular prism. ये triangle है. Lower face is also triangle. As it has 3 sides, so here we have 3 parallelogram. You can count the faces, vertices, and edges. And if it is square in the top and square in the bottom, and sides are the parallelogram, so it will be your square prism, and it is also called cube or cuboid. ठीक है? अगर लेंथ लॉन्ग है तो क्यूबॉइड, और अगर लेंथ टॉप और बॉटम देख लो सेम है, साइड वाले भी स्क्वायर बन रहे हैं, तो स्क्वायर्स आर आल्सो पैरेललोग्राम. So you can say that square prism is also called cube, or it can be called cuboid. So today you will do one thing. You will do page number 165. Do this is given. At the bottom of this page, one table is given, and that is empty, and you have to fill that table completely. Okay. So page number 165, this table, you will complete it today as homework. And now we are going to start with the exercise 10.3. So today I try to complete this exercise, or whatsoever questions are pending that we will complete tomorrow. And after that, we will start with practical geometry chapter. So be prepared with your construction material so that we can start that chapter easily. Is it okay? And one more thing, I think tomorrow is your maths test, and the topic that will be the part of the test is exponent and power, that I have already sent you on Saturday. Okay, I have already informed you about the test, and tomorrow you have test of exponent and power, and objective type test is there. So you will get the test link at 4 p.m. and that it will be open for 1 hour, and you have to complete the test within the time limit. Okay. Now let's start with exercise 10.3. Question number 1. अब देखो इधर. Have you seen one thing? Have you noticed one thing? ये देखो, ये कौन सी फिगर है बच्चे? ऊपर vertex, one common vertex, and all the side faces, lateral faces are joined at one vertex, so it is pyramid. Okay. If the top and bottom is same, then it is prism. If all the triangular faces, actually the pyramid has triangular faces. If all the triangular faces are joined at one vertex, it is called pyramid. Okay. Now what I want to tell here is, It is the minimum figure. It is a figure that is formed with minimum number of faces. How many faces it has? Three triangular faces in the curved surface and one triangle in the bottom. Total कितने 4 triangles बन रहे हैं? 3 ऊपर है, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, और बॉटम में कितने ट्रायंगल है? 1. तो टोटल 4 ट्रायंगल्स हैं इसमें. एक्चुअली इसमें 4 ट्रायंगल इसलिए हैं क्योंकि इट इज अ मिनिमम, इट इज अ फिगर दैट इज फॉर्म्ड विद मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ फेसेस. इससे कम फेसेस की कोई भी फिगर नहीं होती. सपोज एक ट्रायंगल बेस में बनाया, एक ट्रायंगल यहां बनाया, एक यहां बनाया. हाउ यू विल क्लोज दिस फिगर? You required one more triangle to complete this net. Okay, so what I want to tell here is actually the minimum number of faces required to complete one polyhedron is 4. The question is, can a polyhedron have its faces 3? क्या किसी polyhedron में 3 triangles हो सकते हैं? तो आप लिखोगे no. Answer is no, because we need minimum 4 faces to make a polyhedron. We need minimum 4 faces to make a polyhedron. Is it okay? So at least 4 faces are required to make a polyhedron. Next is, can we make a polyhedron with 4 triangles? Yes. It is triangular. It is triangular pyramid. It is triangular pyramid. You can make the pyramid here. One triangle in the bottom, one common vertex. You will join like this. So it is pyramid with 4, minimum number of 4 faces. You will not be able to make a polyhedron with less than 4 faces. Third part is, can we make a polyhedron which have a square and 4 triangles in the top? 4 triangles. Which figure is this? One triangle, one square I have made in the base, and 4 triangles are there in the top. So which figure is this? It is, yes, polyhedron can be made, that is square pyramid. Okay. Question number 2. Is it possible to have a polyhedron with any number of given faces? वो कहता है किसी भी number of faces से polyhedron बन सकता है? No. At least we require 4 faces. It should be 4 or more than 4, not less than 4. Write down. Yes, it is possible if the number of faces is greater than or equal to 4. Yes, it is possible if the number of faces are 4, greater than or equal to 4. Yes, it is possible when the given number of faces are greater than or equal to 4. Example, triangular pyramid. Example, triangular pyramid. Example, triangular pyramid. Yes, look here. In the third question, you have given these four figures. These four figures have been given. Wait. These four figures have been given to you. आपसे पूछ रहा है which of these is a prism? Prism क्या होता है? Whose top and bottom is same? Is top and bottom in this nail is same? No. So it is not a prism. In this, top and bottom is same, that is hexagon. So it is a prism. Second figure is unsharpened pencil. Unsharpened pencil, that is a prism. Next, top and bottom is not same, so it is not prism. Here, top and bottom is same, so yes, it is a prism. Got it? So the way to check prism is whose top and bottom is same, those figures are called prism. If all the faces, all the triangular faces are there in the lateral surface, like in this, and they are meeting at one common vertex, then only you can say that it is a pyramid. Okay. Next question is how prism and cylinders are alike. Yes, listen. अभी आपने देखा ये पेंटागोनल प्रिज्म है, ठीक है. ऐसे ही when you increase the number of side to 6, it is hexagonal. If you increase the number of sides to 7, it is heptagonal you can say. 8 हो जाएगी octagonal, 9 nonagon, ऐसे करके, ठीक. 10 decagon. ऐसे जैसे जैसे आप नंबर ऑफ साइड इंक्रीज करते जाओगे, these edges will change to curved area, curved surface. When you increase the number of sides like this, if I increase 16 sides, so is it possible to make 16 sides like this? Very small gap is there between their edges. So when you increase these 16 sides to 20, then 25, then 30, at some point of time, all these edges will change to the curved surface. Curved surface means they will look like a circle. And when both the circles are there in the upper portion and lower portion, and if you will join them, it will look like a cylinder. Got it? Write down the answer for this. You have to write proper statement. If the number of sides in prism, is increased to some extent, when the number of sides in prism is increased to some extent, then prism will obtain the shape of cylinder. If you increase the number of sides of prism to some extent, then prism will take the shape of cylinder. Second part is also same. Second part is how are pyramids and cone alike? Pyramid and cone are alike. देखो इधर, ये वेट, ये देखो, ये ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड है, इसकी 3 साइड्स हैं, फिर इसकी साइड इंक्रीज करके 4 कर दी, ये स्क्वायर प्रिज्म बन गया. When you increase the number of sides to 5, it is pentagonal. When you increase the number of sides to 6, जब 6 पे इंक्रीज करोगे ऐसे, फिर 8, 9, 10 ऐसे करके आप साइड्स को क्या करते जाओगे, इंक्रीज करते जाओगे. और क्या होगा, सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे जो इसके जो बेस है, जब नंबर ऑफ साइड्स 20, 30, 40 इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, their gap between the adjacent side will change, and it will be like curved portion. And when the portion is curved, you will not be able to make the triangles in the upper faces, in the lateral faces. Then your pyramid will change to cone. When the number of sides of the base of the pyramid have increased to some extent, then your pyramid will change to cone. Write down. If the number of sides, second part hai, if the number of sides of pyramid is increased to some extent, if the number of sides of pyramid are increased to some extent, then the pyramid will become a cone. Yes, we have discussed one thing that जो अब एंटर हो रही है ना, निधि हैज जस्ट एंटर्ड, मार्क हर एब्सेंट. ठीक है, 6-7 मिनट रह गए, मार्क हर एब्सेंट फॉर द टुडेज क्लास. Raghav was already there in the class. I think some network issue was there. उसको present mark करना, but mark Nidhi as absent. Or you can mention the timing. She has entered at 9:27. Yes, listen. Don't mark absent. Write the timing side by side. 9:27. Yes, listen. In the fifth question, yes, we have discussed one thing, that if the top and the bottom face is square, it can be square pyramid, and the other name it can be if the top and the bottom is same, it is square prism, or you can say cuboid, or it can be cube also. Now in the next question, is a square prism same as cube? Square prism cube हो सकता है, but not sure. It can be cuboid also. देख लो आपके सामने है, ये स्क्वायर प्रिज्म है, इसका टॉप भी सेम है, बॉटम भी सेम है, स्क्वायर है, और इसके साइड फेसेस क्या हैं, पैरेललोग्राम्स है. तो ये आपका स्क्वायर प्रिज्म है. इट कैन बी क्यूबॉइड, एंड इफ द लेंथ ऑफ दीज पैरेललोग्राम्स आर रिड्यूस्ड टू दिस मच, देन इट कैन बी क्यूब आल्सो. तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दिस पॉइंट. राइट डाउन, you will write square prism. Every square prism cannot be cube. Every square prism cannot be cube. It can be cuboid also. Every square prism cannot be cube. It can be cuboid also. Got it? They have told you to explain this. What you will do? You will make one cuboid here and one cube here also. ये आपका क्या है? Square prism, and it is also cuboid. And at the same time, it can be cube also. Is it okay? So they have told you to explain it. So that's why I have written here both the things. अगर इसकी ये लेंथ को थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस कर दिया जाए, तो लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट क्या हो जाएंगी, सेम हो जाएंगी, एंड इट कैन बी क्यूब ऑल्सो. Is it okay? Now in the next question, question number 6. Yes, tomorrow we will start with the next chapter, that is practical geometry. Be ready with your construction material. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand the chapter thoroughly. And for the practical geometry, you all need to on your video. So make some necessary arrangement so that you will all be in the position to on your cameras. And I will check your construction material too. Okay? Without that, nothing will be clear to you all. So you have to be ready with your construction material. Question number 6. Figure has already been given to you. देखो इधर, ये क्या बन रहा है, यहाँ पे इस तरह की फिगर है. ठीक है, अब इसको लेके इन्होंने ये क्या बनाया है, they have made the figure like this. Okay. So you have to count the number of faces, vertices, and edges. Have you seen one thing? Which figure is there in the top? Pentagon. If pentagon is there in the top, then it must have pentagon in the bottom. क्योंकि इस तरह से वाइड है. अगर ट्रायंगल्स होते साइड फेसेस में तो ये पिरामिड होता. नाउ इट इज योर, ये क्या है आपका? प्रिज्म है. तो इसकी एन क्या है? 5. और प्रिज्म का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? फेसेस का n+2, वर्टिसेस का 2n, एजेस का 3n. 5 + 2 7, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now you can count the faces, vertices, and edges from here also in the figure. Will you be able to count them? You can count, but better to learn the formula. You will not be able to make some mistake. Okay? Everything will be clear to you. Now you have to verify Euler's formula that we have already discussed. Euler's formula, that is F plus V is equal to E plus 2. And you have to verify this formula. Faces 7, vertices 10, that is 17. Edges 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Is it okay? So you all please try to solve the next part. Actually, in the next part, it is a combination of two figures. One is cuboid in the bottom, and on the cuboid you have one pyramid. तो आप pyramid के अलग से find कर लो, इसके अलग से find कर लो, दोनों को total कर लो. But keep one thing in mind: the base of the pyramid is same as the top face of the cuboid. So you will subtract one face, क्योंकि जो common है, it will be counted 2 times when you count them separately in both the figure. So you will reduce it 1 time. Please do it. Hurry up. Find the faces, vertices, and edges. Then after that, you will apply the same formula. Hurry up. Try to count the faces, vertices, and edges. Today again, 7 students are absent. Akul, kindly tell me, are those 6 students, those are present, absent today, they are same as the yesterday's absentees? Okay, please tally this thing and tell me. Or common absentees, you will send me separately, that these are the common absentees in the class. And today what you will do, you will complete that table that is given on page number 165. You will do second part of this question. And one more thing, you will read what we have discussed in the class that is given on page number 167. That you will read today, and you will have, if you have any doubt, we will discuss it tomorrow. And 2 questions are pending in this chapter. We will complete it tomorrow and we will proceed with the next chapter. Okay.